Today we're going to demonstrate how to replace the lamp of a Gilson GA-6 GilSonic AutoSiever sonic sifter, which offers precise and dependable particle separations of fine granular materials and dry powders. And the backlit sieving chamber of the GA-6 aids in confirming proper sieving action during operation. To replace the lamp in your GA-6, you first disconnect the power to the unit by unplugging and then removing the power cord from the rear of the unit. Next, open the sieving chamber door and remove the Sieve Stack Assembly if necessary. Now, remove the two Phillips-head screws securing the stainless steel diffuser bezel. Remove the bezel and diffuser lens and set them aside. Next, carefully pull straight up on the lamp until the lamp unseats from the lamp socket. The locking tab may need to be extended for easier lamp removal. Always properly dispose of used lamps. A Phillips 7-watt lamp is recommended for the GA-6. Now, insert the replacement lamp by gently pushing the lamp down to seat into the lamp socket. Return the bezel and diffuser and reinstall the two Phillips-head screws. Finally, replace the power cord. For any questions concerning the Gilson GA-6 GilSonic AutoSiever sonic sifter or for any Gilson product, please contact the Gilson Technical Support Team.